Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on the iPhone. So in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, and if you want to turn on Wi-Fi calling, you want to go to the settings and then go to mobile service. While you're on the mobile service, as you can see, here is the option called Wi-Fi calling. But quick disclaimer, keep in mind that your service provider need to allow you to use the Wi-Fi calling. As I will show you that my service provider is not in my package, like the Wi-Fi calling is not in my package from my service provider. So as you can see, if I'm going to try to turn it on, as you can see, the iPhone is going to ask me to enable Wi-Fi calling. And what is a Wi-Fi calling? When you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can call through the Wi-Fi without getting the your data used for the calling. So, for example, in the country, if you're outside of your country on a vacation, or just in a different country and you don't have a internet package in the specific country, you want to enable Wi-Fi calling, because this is not going to apply you some more costs from your service provider, because for calling the Wi-Fi is going to be used. So you just need to click enable. But as you can see, to allow Wi-Fi calling on this account, contact play, so my service provider, and as you can see, your service provider needs to allow you for the Wi-Fi calling. So, but if you have this feature on from your service, you're just gonna click, just switch it on and click enable, and this is going to be turned on from this time. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.